kufuwa ba yo de be ye adwuma address de papa mahama nankasa no what did the same ono kura de what toto ni yamam to the point say o free so no no ankasa de akọ parliament say momma me ne sitting president no yanji sikape enti anega na ye we sika president je eno na sebe former president so je ye de adwuma ma wo de bi kan ho ye tiase wo de yanko IMF na man no ho kire no Ekufuado man ho kire no se matimi pay so matima appointees pay so mahama ho kire no se de bi media me kwa IMF akogiska I can't be struggling min to min dia ho kire say sikaba na me enjoy. So he found the easiest way out by doing what? Running directly and straight to IMF. For policy credibility, let me make that clear so people don't see and seminar the The only time the constitution was not good was when NDC went into position and realized that.
Would you like to do business with Turkey? WCI Forum Ghana, 21st to 22nd July, Ghana, Accra.
Discerning Ghanaians are beginning to know, say, the way your NDC for person, it is a lazy man's approach of solving things. Mama minka bibi kitwe bi ansa na makodi amebe kanoso. Na we so no mo bia eneme meyen tokwa wa mesremo. Ya papa Ekufuado. Ansa na obebu ni ketem. Obebu ni ketem se debi. Die du no me pesa me call IMF. Na omo support me programs no. Na ono ankasa I try homegrown how to raise money homegrown. Ebini den ebini e-levy. Ebini e-levy. Ebini den ebini making sure say ono na point is ono na ma okrata se be ye adwuma ma ne de will pay de yate so 50%. Sorry 30%. Wo petra na wo je no yate so. Me ankasa mate me ho so. Inti no Ekufuado didn't see say oh na say president de ho kire wa after IMF ye ni na e contribute skagu ho. Inti me yeso nkwaji bi. Ekufuado try as much as he can. Even when all things were pointing, say, go to IMF, he still stood on his. Now, adia bako ya na meka say, Ghana for ya Ekufuado ye ne san me ya ne say. This man could have gone to that meeting, no, with his cabinet, cancelled free education, cancelled NAPCO, cancelled all these policies are all says no, and he would have had money. But see there be Ekufuado me 287, dam ye chidame, me ye here ni sa. Me metna sa akonwa tantan we so kura no sa baifu akonwa we o mo atwa mo dwa gusu we no sa nkwase akonwa we me metna so kura na medidi ntesa ya no mo a mo de o mamba politics mo anka ye hu sebe chale wote kura anka bi anhye ye na accident wo sori a o twa ni peti kura wo hu o se ye politics ntie ntwa ni peti Ekufuado made sure say of finding all the things he wants to find answer. Who said do baby okay, my try my carte expenses, my carte say may try e-levy, my try way, there is still a little gap. What can I do? Okay, let me go to these people and seek what they are already offering. Again, send me call bank ya kwaje bosia de abaye adwuma ana me de betu amaka. And to say me call free bank say one metna me so no medi masem mame. E different. Yen fe no nkotonche. And I may buy a special prosecutor until I may buy. Na and someone may be can he so. Mesremo. Say one me nyadwen fine. Okay. Sister Lily, welcome. Na share page no mama. The amebe kan wa hey. Say one me nyadwen there is no problem. The American say make sure say ukuta bibia different from the American and then that is the truth no. Then I'll be okay. Now, Ghana for ye ni na ye waha adia baako a yesu hu. And I'm penny for disco and I wait me disco on my sika ya wia on my sika ya ni say esa ban chiwe egum esa ban say samonoko welcome esa ban kwachichin krofo Ghana for ye nwomo a ye to no. And Wofa Mike kwabo so kaya. Epu yam penny for no me diska yam penny for no yes mo transformers ye be hye no mo banks ye be chiche ja to mo hye no The only time Ghana can relax is when the country is in the hands of the incompetent fools and they are dragging it at IMF and everywhere. That is all. So far as these idiots are eating, anything is good. IMF for by Enianom. Mr. Betty, can you believe? Andra IMF for by Ghana no. Media na me gidi sanka deda aye no komo Betty. Now come to free education mu. You try planting for food and jobs. One village, one dam, because minya obi o free no for say yen kwase asem. Me re ho say. Wukuro mufuo. Ebenye nsuo de agugu omne amaso omondo ba yeso no say yen kwase asem. Are you people kidding me? Ekufu ado twanum. Twa napkom eno kra de ye mahinu napko no kra na papa we ankasa no. Unim, okay. Ebia, mama we yenye campaign tiano. But Akufo-Addo no so onko election bi o nti we ye campaign tiano kra em fa hwema. Ensa ade anka campaign we de me ye tiano. Ghana fo. Ena no pa mewura na aho ni eni abufu ana aba me so ni nyina ne say. Opportunity aba. Opportunity aba say Akufo-Addo mi Ghana fo komu. NDC fo no mo si free education yan kwase asem. Eya 419 mfaso bia ni so no twa free education no mo nko mu ni omo senem ho. Nurses and teacher training NAPCO Akufo-Addo twam. Akufo-Addo ne ba omia ne aborofo no kotena ho a omo se da bi o omu ntwam. Mr. Betty wase am NDC fo na se anya ye bi o. Akufo-Addo ne ba omia kotena ase ye papa ba omia wona na wudi anim. Kotwa free education mu a wan kotwam. Chesa mo nkwa na mo ye papa e ya na Akufo-Addo. Wone ba omia mo nkwa na mo dwene Ghana fo ho aden. Ejwedifo ana wo mu nya sika ntua wo me school fees. Enna wa mo mu komu adwudwo wo mu ntua mo so metumi atuo mo be school fees. Anka man koda imre fie. The man told me, I didn't believe, but it is true. Papa ne ka kira me say, "Hey, jama wo papa Akufo-Addo no nim no wo. Ontwam o. Ono policy e wo say bua nkrofo sa no ontwa ba akokura mu na me say da bia so twam." Papa ne ka kira me say, first and foremost, Akufo-Addo no, what he's trying to leave is a legacy. Enye sika bi. No chine bi ye ka say, ye ka Ghana bakwasem a. President Ben wo ba ye beye say a ya bonidin. Ba wo miaso ahunu say niama wo ne papa Akufo-Addo ye na ye papa. Ono so pese oba. Utie, ono so pese oba. Enti ono so beto aso. Na nkrofo we ni abrofo na akotena ho. Omo entwa free education mu. Omo entwa NAPCO. Ye ntwa ye can say school feeding program ye ntwam. One village one dam ye ntwam. Na enti say kwa amokoy na e di ntina amokoy. Nanado, wone wo ba wo mi a say mo anka say den na mo pese